the morning! My baby is awake, And si Dada, awake na din. Good morning! Katatapos lang ng premiere namin. Yung Ligo Challenge. Sus, yung mukha namin, Nabutan ako ni Sophia. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-join, na-enjoy. Yung mga hindi na-enjoy, pasensya na po. And kay Sis Richelle Sumalinog, nagbigay po siya ng pakulay. Thank you sa ating super chatter. Thank you. Please visit her channel. At saka, Sis Love in Scotland, please, gawin mo na yung aking challenge. Abangan namin yan. Please let us know. And gawin mo na agad-agad. Twinny. So, ngayon, kung bago kayo sa aming channel, ako po si Yen. This is my daughter, Sophia. Yung ilong tubo ilong. And that is Dada. Over there. Naka-vacation kami, kaya medyo relax muna. So, maghahanda muna kami kasi Sophia pupunta sa school. You're going to school, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah? You're going to school so that Mama and Dada have a me-time. Oh, what is that? Yeah. This is Dada, yeah? That's Dada, yeah? Huh? This is Dada here. Yes? That's Sophia there. That one. Yeah, that one. You see Sophia and Dada? Yeah. Yeah, right. Yes, okay, hi. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Okay, what do you want to eat? Yeah? Are you so early, huh? Choo! Okay na. Yeah. Tuwangan na to sa bana niya. Sarap tuhakin, diba? Ha? Parang may gagawin na ako mamaya. Kasi, matagal na niya akong hindi naangkin. Gagawa ko ng...
Kuya.
Ano?
Sophia.
Leading my husband. Yes! Ang reaction niyo. Napatingin sa akin pala siya. Okay. Mamaya na, ha? So, isa sa mga favorite ni Sophia at saka ni Bana is French toast. Hindi ako kumakain ito. Ayun ko kung bakit. Para hindi ko feel yung yung basa ba? Basa na tinapay. Pero gustong-gusto nito ni Sophia. Ayan. So, isang piraso kay Sophia at saka dalawa naman kay Bana. Yan. Lagay natin doon. Very simple lang yung French toast. Gatas, itlog, tsaka cinnamon. Yun lang. Tapos mamaya, buburan ko lang siya ng powdered sugar for Sophia and kay Bana. Normally, maple syrup or honey. Huh? Oh. Yeah. To for Dada, for Sophia. Here, Nak. Let's go there. Your breakfast. Go, go. Go. Tapos tinignan pa talaga niya. Go, go there. Yay, Mama's cooking your breakfast. Would you like to sit here?
아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어.
Na. Kiss mama. Oh no!
Mama kiss. Hey, mama kiss. Sophia.
Hindi talaga ako binigyan ng kiss.
Mama
You ready to go out? What about mama?
Mama kiss.
Kiss for mama.
Mama kiss.
Mama always got kisses, yeah? Embrace mama. Hug mama. Hug mama.
Don't.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Langga. Bye, anak.
Move. Move.
Bye, anak. Love you, nak. Sus, wala talaga. La na.
Hi, sweetheart.
See you later. Dada, what will you will go to ano? Yan Lendas? I cannot think of anything for Jan Lendas. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, flying kiss, mama. Bye, na.
A few moments later.
So, mga lalabs, yan yung ating agenda for today. Nagbihis na pala ako. Wow! Cheng? Nagbihis ako para naman para naman ma-excite siya ba, or para naman ma-leading to something talaga. Diba? Buang dito ko buang. Buang das ba na labong free na siya ngayon itong samok-samok dun, ha? So, good luck to me. Siyempre, nagkilay. Naligo man ako kahapon, diba? Nag-ligo challenge. So, ngayon, hiya. Ayun. Gilood ng uban. Pasensya na sa uban. Gilood kay tambok. Dada,
You need to get the house clean.
don't touch me, Uy!
What?
You need to do this one.
Yeah, later. You gotta clean the house, you gotta do the ironing. Whole day just to do this room. Because you're too busy setting up a camera, looking at videos, trying to look sexy.
Touch me. What's that do?
Money. You don't last long in this business without making a few enemies.
Go to the police, yeah?
Please don't. We didn't mean any harm. You didn't mean any harm.
What camera?
Chihuahua. He was biting my ankles.
No, maybe we can help you fix this. No, I think it's too late.
Hang on. What if they're telling the truth? If they suddenly go off the radar, the real culprit will know we're onto them. Might disappear.
We're on bail.
Which is why we need to find out who's doing this to us.
So what do we do?
We use our friends here to smoke out the mastermind. What happened to the 30 grand?
What should I do with it?
Put in this. And no funny business. Remember, I've got the police on speed dial.
Really? Would it not be quicker just to put 9
That's a
on?
figure of speech. One thing I want to know. These clothes, where'd you get them? Because you look exactly like Lou.
She doesn't.
They sent us photographs, video clips, voice recordings, the lot.
Wow, someone really did their homework, didn't they?
Yeah. And now it's time for detention.
It's not your best.
Whatever. Let's go. So, you make the call. And then you go back.
Wala do anything.
Wait for our instructions. Speaking of which, where is it?
Howdy.
Oh, I told you to blend in.
In Stratford upon Avon, dressed like this, I'm
Come on.
invisible.
Right, so we're going to stake out the locker until the culprit comes to take the cash and then we'll pounce, okay?
For the police, in case you feel like doing a runner. Don't think you won't find you.
So make the drop and straight back to the hotel.
Exactly. You want to know you signed it?
Yes, sir.
I'm nervous.
Yes,
What have I
yes,
messed up?
Oh, you'll be fine. Just be yourself. Well, be us. But be yourself, being us. And then... Right, come on, eh?
Hi, youngsters. Kagising ko lang. It's 5 o'clock ako gumising. 5 minutes na. Tapos na lagay ko na dito handa na rice, manok, yung dinner namin, at saka dinner ni Sophia, yung sabaw. Siguro dagdagan ko siya ng sabaw. Ayun. Napagod ako ba? Napagod ako kasi panay yung arrange ko. Naglagay na ako ng mga Christmas decor sa bahay kasi may time, diba? Tingnan nyo anong nilagay ko. Matutuwa to si Sophia mamaya. Si Santa Claus, andyan na. Tingnan nyo si Santa. Ayan. May lalagay sana ako dyan pero i-ano ko kasi alam nyo na may Sophia. Malikot yung kamay. Andyan din si isang Santa Claus namin. Ayan. Nabisi ako sa mga tanim. Nag-dilig. Tapos, ito din, nilagay ko. Ayan siya. Tapos, pansin nyo dyan sa itaas. Oh, diba? Mubo lang dahil siya. Mga 2 meter lang to. Dapat pala 3 meter something. Pero okay lang yan. Ayan, oh. Sarap, nakatulog ako. And then, hindi pa siya natapos kasi kulang ng hook. Bilan ako ni Bana bukas. So, yung mga tanim ko, nilagay ko na ulit sa loob. Tapos, may Christmas tree na din dyan. Christmas tree, Christmas lights. Yan, dyan. Tapos, dito, basta iniba ko na sila. Kasi ganina, naganahan ako ba? Yung leading my husband, Frank ba yun? Ano siya, parang hindi bagay kay Bana. Pero palagi nilang ginagano yung puwit ko. Wala namang ipik kanina. Kaya hindi ko tinapos. Kasi napagod na rin ako ka. Ganun-ganun, oh. Katuwad-tuwad ba? Pasensya na kayo. Inaatok pa ako. Ang sarap matulog. Ang sarap. Natulog ako alas 2. 3 hours. Hindi ako ginalaw ni Mr. Wa. Basta matutulog ako. Hindi niya na ako galawin. Hindi niya ako gigising. Diba? Ganyan yan siya. Ay, nako, ito yung mga ginagawa ko dati na miss ko dati. Ito yon. Lasing ko na. Ang ulan sa labas. Sabi ko, na oras ko yung Sophia. Sabi niya, ngayon na daw. Naglala pagkatapos ng laro niya. So, Bana's going to pick Sophia up. Kalimutan ko, I have to do the ironing mo like tonight. Kaya pala pinatulog ako lang niya.
Up the little one's going to bed.
Oh,
Oh!
this is my job too.
No, you miss your little girl.
May dala. See you. Lamig sa labas. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng mani. May mani pala ako. Kailan ko pa ito lulutuin. Hindi naman ito nakain si Bana nito. Pero, magluluto ako ng mani Filipina style. Hinahanda ko lang yung aking bawang. So, luto ko lang yung bawang. Ah!
Think luto na yung ating peanut. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa isang tray para mag-dry. Dito. Tapos nilalagyan ko lang siya ng paper towel. Ayan. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung pwedeng ilagay sa peanut as a sauce? Ano yung ano? It's yung ano, yung tinda nila sa kalsada, yung sa mga street food. Ketchup at saka suka. Yun. No, yun yung I miss my child. Kasi kaya minsan din bumibili talaga ako ng mani. Fresh mani. Kasi madali lang siyang gawin. Tingnan niyo. Diba? So, here's my mani.
So, let's eat dinner mga lalab sa akin. Chicken. Kay Dada, Greek salad na self-made.
Greek salad without the coleslaw.
Yeah, without coleslaw. And then, ito yung rice. Hindi kumain si Sophia. Sobrang galit ni Dada pagdating. Hindi ako nakapaglaro kay Sophia. Kasi, yung sapatos niya, basang-basa. Tapos, kanina umaga, naglabas sila, malamig. Hanggang ngayon, sapatos niya. So, naglakad-lakad si Sophia, walang sapatos. Sobrang galit ng ama niya. Ay, nako, mamaya ako na-continue, ya. Dada, do you know what I was trying to do this morning? It was just the normal.
It's actually normal.
What normal? That I show my body to you, trying to
seduce me.
trying to seduce you, but
She wasn't succeeding
yeah, I wasn't succeeding. Why?
because she wasn't trying hard enough.
Hard to get to the.
Makes a change.
What makes it change? Do you want me to try hard? I don't need to try hard. But do you think there was something I was in what? I was
Funny mood.
huh? What? You're in a funny mood?
No, you.
When this morning?
Mm.
I was trying to seduce you.
Wasn't trying hard enough.
That was leading my husband challenge. Leading my husband challenge, but you did not do anything.
She had a job to do and it took her all day. And she hasn't finished yet.
Yeah, because I know that's why you did not rape me, because I still
did.
have to do the
I
ironing.
did. She'd do nothing. I'm too tired.
Kaya pala.
I'm too tired.
Pero nakatulog ako. So, ngayon,
And she slept for 3 hours this afternoon.
3 hours, yeah.
She could have done the laundry then.
I'm so tired, man. So now,
Always tired.
shout out to
Shout out to everyone.
everyone. Shout out to Lenny Rose Salazar, to Mama Marilyn Rodriguez, and sa kanyang friend na si Elsie,
Hey.
and Miller in Wisconsin. Wisconsin? How you say that?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. USA. And shout out to Team Aja Netherlands, Faye Almeida, Mohima Mama, Alice Marco, Roxy Goots. Shout out to Miriam Cala, Wilma Bitonio, Adela El Destajo, kay Aisel Ramos, Love in Scotland, Mommy Cecil, Fraujen, Gish, Gianna Vlogs of Gianna Vlogs, TFS Comiling Channel, April Ann Reales, Richelle Sumalinog, thank you sa super chat. Thank you. Alicia Vega. Shout out to Warlita Lifestyle. Shout out to Lenny Rose Salazar. I think pangalawa na yun. Si Ma'am Girly Verdejo. Si Mama Violi. Shout out to Rowena Gador. Shout out to Alice Marco. Mike and Judith Las Vegas. Shout out to Lina Liavares. African Bisayan couple. Hello sa'yo, Day. Shout out to Mary Rose. May isang nagpapapansin. Okay, what do you want? Say hi. Oh! Whoa, drop. Okay. Bye-bye. Sophia, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye na. Okay, bye-bye. Here. There's some here.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.